So for this magic ball, I just select the light and I'm going to use the new shader for the light. So for here, I'm going to give a emission shader, and the color you can give red or as you need. Then I can increase the value to 500 like this. Yeah, as you can see, now I can see the glow on the light. Now if you want to animate it, you can animate it by reducing and increasing the value. Like in the first frame you can give it 0, and after 10 or 20 frame you can give it 500 or more than that. Like, and you can do, but it's a lengthy process, right? So for that I'm going to use a shortcut. For that I'm going to use a code, so I'm going to paste it here, this code, so that I'll copy in my comment box also. You can check it there. So now if you play here, yep, automatically we can get this kind of light effect with this short code. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.